Okay, so I decided to come out to Home Quarry. That's a small little campground, $5 a night. It's like 90 some degrees, but a nice little breeze every once in a while. It's not too bad. It was close to 100 today in town. It's only a couple miles behind Dayton, Virginia. We got a little creek, a little bit of running water from the reservoir. It's uphill. I'm set up. Got everything open, so hopefully it'll cool down. I'm the only one here tonight, or so far tonight. Nice big site. Like I said, it's only $5 a night. It's in the National Forest. It's got a tent pad there, but of course, you know, I brought the beast. She runs like a top. So we're out here for a little while tonight. I think I'm going to stay through Saturday, possibly Saturday night. We'll see how it goes with the temperatures. Tomorrow it's supposed to be 100. I think Saturday's still supposed to be close to 100. But we'll make do. We'll see. We'll suffer through. Right now it's not too bad. All right, peeps, I'll be back with you tonight when I get a fire going. Yes, a fire in 100 degrees.